Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to make a Christmas related scratch game in under 10 minutes. Okay, so let's open up Scratch. Let's create a new project. First thing we do is going to delete the cat. Then we are going to add our fairy. There they are. Fantastic. Let's make them a touch smaller. Great. Now let's select our background. Let's have them at the North Pole. Great. Okay, now what we want to do is add our star that the fairy needs to jump over. Let's select that one. Fantastic. Let's make it a bit bigger. Actually, and I want to, let me edit it slightly. I want to make it a little bit more yellow so it sticks out. There we go, fantastic. Okay, so let's put that there. Let's make the fairy a touch bigger. Great. Okay, so we've got our fairy, we've got our star. The star, we're going to code the star first of all. So when the green flag is pressed, what we want to do is that the star moves right, and let's just turn on our grid so we know numbers. They're at 2. We want to do a full lap, so that will be 2 up to 20, 18, so 22. So let's go 22, and let's get that to be repeated 4 times and then stopped. I think that should be enough. Actually, let's go 6 times. Enough laps for us to play. Actually, let's have that going on forever. And what we want also to do is when the green flag is pressed, because we want the star to look like that it's rotating, what we are going to do is we're going to do a rotation and also a repeat, so that goes on forever. So actually, I don't think we're actually going to need the repeat. Let's get rid of that bit. Let's make our code a bit leaner. So let's go full screen. Let's just see what that looks like. Yes, amazing. Right, let's stop that. Reset. Great. Next thing we want to do is to code our fairy to jump. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the fairy. We're going to go to our create character. Go to our create character or option. Go to the paint. Black, let's create a square, and let's make that square red. Okay, so that is going to go there. Let's make it a bit smaller. It's going to be one of our buttons. Fantastic. And let's create another 2. So we go to the one we've already created and just modify that. Let's make it purple. Great, let's bring that over there. So let's make that a bit smaller. Great. Now let's do one more. Let's make it green. Let's bring that down to here. Let's make it a bit smaller. Fantastic. Okay, so let's code these. So when it is touched, I want a green message to be sent. When the purple button is touched, I want a purple message to be sent, and when the red button is pressed, I want a red message to be sent. Now, let's code the fairy to react to those. So when the purple message is received, we want the fairy to move left. When the green message is received, we want the fairy to move right. And when the red message is received, first of all, what we want to do is we want the fairy to jump. And let's say 6, so it clears it. But also, we want, when the red message is pressed, because we don't want the fairy to jump up, we want to jump up and across. What we're going to do here is they are going to move left 4. They're then going to wait 5/10 of a second. And then we want them to move right 5 and then 1 left, so they face the right way. So let's give that a test. Fantastic. And notice the fairy can float across that little bit of water. She moves left when we press the green button, sorry, right when we press the green button, and left when she presses the purple. Oh. So they've gone to there. Let's get them back again to where they should be. Great. So let's go full screen. Let's give that a test. Here comes the star. Up she goes. Fantastic. Up. Yes. Can we move? Yes. We can move. Great. Okay, let's stop that. Reset. Amazing. Right, now what we want to do is to end the game if the star is touched. So what we're going to do here is go to our start on bump option. Go to our stop function, because we want, as soon as the star is touched, we want all the code to stop, and then we want it to say, oh, let's see if we can, game over. Great. Okay, so let's give that a little test, see what happens when the star hits the fairy. Great. So now what we want to do is reset everything, and let's play a game. So here comes the star. We've jumped over it successfully. Fantastic. And again, oh, we touched it. Game over. Brilliant stuff. And there we go. Congratulations and well done on making your game. If you do need any help or have any questions, please leave a comment below. The next video should appear somewhere on the screen shortly. And if you want to keep up with all the games we're producing throughout December, please subscribe here.